Go to Google and search by WPS hosting. You can see the WPS hosting website, world's fastest managed WordPress website. Look into it. What WPX are you using website to change your life? Can we be trusted? Basically, if you want to uh, review their customer review, then you can find 99 914 reviews here that is given by the customer of WPS hosting. And if you want to compare with another hosting company, you can go to here why WPX, and you will see another hosting provider review that is who is the basically the competitor of WPS hosting. So you will find this uh, page very helpful. If you see the WordPress hosting speed test result with GT metrics, the WPS ranked 1. Basically, this man is the CEO and founder of WPX hosting. So, if we see the pricing details of WPS hosting, the pricing plan is $20 per month, and for business professional $41.58, and elite is $83.25 per month. You can see all the review that is given by the WPX hosting. I hope uh, you will find this video helpful and try this website to change your life. If you are a website owner, or if you manage the website, this video will help your life.